how to change the front wiper blade motor on a VW Golf. So the wiper blades need to be in the rest position as we see here, and we also need to mark their location for when we put them back together. So let's put a piece of tape and that will show us, and the work will be done inside the engine bay. So the first thing we need to do in here, remove these tabs. Screwdriver, just pop them open. Use your fingernails as well if you want. Pop them open. That reveals two 13mm nuts. One off. The other one off. Now with those nuts removed, we can remove the wiper arms from the spindles. I prefer to use a puller like this, but you can use a screwdriver. One off. Other one. Next, we need to move this around for the wiper blades, so remove this weather strip here. Just this off. Then undo this panel for the cabin filter. Just 4 screws along the top. That's it. All 4 screws out. Lift out. Now give us the surround out. So you need to get a remover tool like this and just prise the surround to a little groove at the bottom of the windshield. Lift it up and pull away. When totally free, lift away. So that reveals 3 10mm bolts that you need to remove. So that's all 3 bolts removed. So remove the linkage and motor out. Take a bit of wiggling. Just a fair bit of wiggling. Just going to make sure you get this section over this wiring here, and it'll come out. And then we're still connected with some electrics back here. So the electrics are down here. What you want to do is just pull back on that little tab here. I'll to show you on that tab there. Pulls it out. That's the motor out. So with the linkage arms out the way, you can see this is the electrics. This is how it's connected. So what you want to do is sort of grab here with your thumb, push away and just push back, and that will release everything. Before we take the motor off the linkages, just take a note of the positioning of the linkage and the control arm, which direction it's facing. So you may want to mark these or make a note, and obviously in which direction the motor sits on, so you don't get it backwards. And all you need to do is undo this nut here, these 3 nuts here, and the motor will come straight off the back. When you refit it, make sure you have all the nuts and grommets and the special washers. And then refitting is just the reverse of what you've seen. And you're done.